Hey guys, it's Kayla and Thomas, and today we're going to be opening a Slime Mystery package. Okay, let's get open it.
Let's get openings. Let's get crackers and mackins.
Thomas, just back off. Oh my.
That's not.
There's
nothing. That's
there's
not.
like an extra thing with a little slime, and it has and a Tootsie Roll.
Okay.
And it says like a little note. Let me read the note.
It says a note.
Let's read the note.
If this is from Cleveland.
So what's the first thing?
No.
Oh, wait. Borax in case you need some borax.
Oh, we got a little.
And there's a little slime.
Let's see that. Oh. Ooh, that's so cool.
It's a little slime, Thomas.
Oh,
So
this is so. No,
it
look,
smells
it's like
so
a
good.
combo of colors. Look at all the colors. Oh, it has foam in it. This
so
is
I
a
think
little
there's a
sticky.
note.
This is not. No,
Thank you
it
for
feels
choosing.
sticky, but it's actually not sticky. Lets the foam get on you.
So this is. Wait, what does it say? It says something slimes.
Regards, Chrissy from Cutie Slime.
Chrissy from Cutie Slime. So we're gonna get in.
Big shout out to Cutie Slimes.
There's so many little slimes. Take them all out. Take them all out.
No, one of us each get one pack.
I call this the pack.
I call this pack.
Oh, it has pink in it. Yes, and blue.
Ooh, I got. Oh, I call it good pack.
Me too.
I call it Gucci pack. Gucci.
Okay, so I'm gonna open my red one first. Okay. Oh, it's sticky. Kinda
But
sticky.
it feels sticky, but it's actually not sticky.
Oh god, I didn't get this stuff off. Just put borax. Wait, it says please add water, I think, if you need it. This is borax, and it says
I got the scissors.
slime activator. It's kind of sticky.
Okay, guys,
But it's
don't do
fine.
this at home if your dad doesn't let you use scissors.
So this is really good slime, but it's kind of sticky, so you may add borax. So wait, let me turn on the light over here, and I'll be right back. Oh, never mind. So not the light. So this slime is probably, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I mean a 7 out of 10. It's kind of sticky, so go buy slime from their thing, from their store. It's shop. It's sticky, but
First, I'm gonna start with my green one.
Oh, I got red into it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. It's fine. Whatever. This is kind of like there's lots of beads in it, and it has like it's like a sidewalk gray. So,
Okay,
it's
here's
like a sidewalk gray.
here's my green slime.
It goes with their little signature things. Oh, haha! It got on his hands. I'll take that off. This is actually not sticky. I'm surprised. So, let me take this off.
This is not that sticky.
Don't mix them all together.
I'm not.
Oh, this is.
Mixing them together.
Oh, smell this. This smells so
Oh, I
good.
smell it. It smells like, what is that called?
Corn.
I need to wash my hands.
Okay,
I'll be
here's
right
the
back.
sticky. Okay, it's kind of sticky. Kind of sticky.
I know the first one. The first one was really sticky. I'm surprised. No, I got it.
I'm
I'll put it
surprised mine's
back. Hands are gonna wash
sticky.
my hands.
Look how sticky this is.
I'm not gonna mix them.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's actually better now. My hands are wet. So.
Okay, so do
Okay.
this. Do that. Put this back.
Can't put it in. Won't go in.
It won't go in.
Got one.
No.
In.
No. I refuse.
You're
Okay.
just crazy.
2 minutes later, it's my hands are a mess.
Thomas, see it?
Don't look.
This is sticky a little
This
bit.
is
Add
sticky.
borax and water. So.
Did you read the directions? It says, due to shipping, time, and temperature, slimes may be sticky or liquidy. Please dissolve the 1 teaspoon of borax in 10 ounces of hot water and stir to make activator. Add drops as necessary to activate the slime.
This smells actually really good. They have a very good shop. Go check their shop out. It will be right in the description, and it will be just popped up right now.
And it says, thank you so much for your recent purchase at my shop. I am Christy, at 12 years old, who loves to make slime every day. This is my very first little business. My big brother and mom are helping me to fulfill my dream of becoming an entrepreneur. Please contact me if you need anything from me. Your satisfaction is my highest priority. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, follow them on Instagram and Facebook.
Facebook. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, big shout out.
I can't, it's sticky. Look how oily thing. I have to throw this out maybe.
No, it says you gotta put a little activator.
Can you put some activator on my hands or something? Borax on my hands. Okay.
Borax makes everything better.
Okay, it's too sticky. Daddy, get some borax.
Get the
I
borax.
can't stop playing.
Wait, do one at a time.
Tom, so you need to show them. You're just taking out
Okay.
and then.
Okay, I just showed you that one.
My hands will be right back, guys.